Okay, so I was going to upgrade the memory on this Dell Latitude 6410, but I thought I'd show you how simple it is because it's ridiculous. It's one screw. It's this one right here in the bottom. This is literally a 30-second upgrade. So you get the screw loose, then this bottom just slides off, and there we go. Here's the RAM. There's already one in it, and it's the bottom one. If it's currently working, there's going to be at least one in it. This is a 2 gig that's in here. This is a 2 gig. You put it in right there, kind of at a 45. Snaps in like that. Put the cover back on, and that's it, folks. I mean, that's just how easy it is. Slide it back in, tighten the screw, and that's it. If you're upgrading, say this one, you have 2 in there right now, like this one does, then it's a 4 gig, and you're going to make it 8 gig, and you're putting in 2 4s. I guess I could show you that real quick. Let's do that, because it's so fast. So loosen this again, slide this off, just like that. So let's say you've got 4 gig in it, and you were going to upgrade it to 8. You take these little metal tabs right here, you expand them, lift it up at a 45, take it out. Same thing with the bottom one. You push the little metal tabs out. You got to get underneath there like that, pull it out. And then you do the reverse for the upgrades, the 8s or the 4s you're going to put in. You slide them in at a 45, snap it in. You hear the noise. You know what's in there when it makes that noise. But that's it. Just as easy as that. So one thing I thought I'd show you is that the system's smart and it knows that there's new memory. So it says the amount of memory, system memory has changed. To continue, hit the F1 key. When you hit F1, it's going to rewrite to how much is in there, and it'll, next time it boots, it won't show that message. And then one last thing I thought I'd show you too, so you know that it's up there, but if you right-click My Computer, I've added this to the desktop, but you can do it like this, and you right-click My Computer and choose Properties. It'll show you installed memory is now 4 gig. Anyway, that's how it's done. Piece of cake. On some laptops, it's a pain in the butt where you have to freaking remove like 8 screws, and then you undo this palm rest. It's stupid, but at least on this model Dell, it's a piece of cake. And so, like you saw, I did it in like less than a minute. Thanks for watching.